Students, our next topic is surds. This is new topic for you. In simple way, surd in one line, surd is an irrational root. So here our definition was if a is a positive rational number and nth root of a is x. If x is an irrational number, see here, x equal to nth root of a. Here a is what? Positive rational number. Starting. If a is a positive rational number, then nth root of a is x. If x is an irrational number. Okay. Now, in definition he explained about this one. Nth root of a. N means what? Root means what? A means what? N is called what? Order of the surd. Order of the surd means what? It can be 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. And here this root is called what? Radical sign. And A is called what? Radicand. Okay? N is called order of the surd. And root is called radical sign. And A is called radicand. Example you see. Here first, cubed root of 7. Cubed root of 7. Here, this 3 is what? Order. Order of the surd is what? 3. And this root is called what? Radical sign. Radical sign. This 7 is called what? Radicand. Okay. Here, in this topic, order is important. Now, second example, you see, fourth root of 5. This 4 is called what? Order. Now, in this order, what? 4. And this 5 is called what? Radicand. Radicand. And this root is called radicand sign. In third example, only root 2. Root 2. Here, order is what? 2. It is which type of surd? Quadratic surd. Here order is 2. So here this one root 2 is which type of surd? Quadratic surd. Last one, sixth root of 10. Here order of the surd is what? 6. Students, now we will see some more examples. Here root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, so on. See here, root 2, root 3. Here all, for this all the irrational numbers, the order is what? 2. In this topic, in this main topic, order of the surd is 2. When the order of the surd is 2, these type of surds are called quadratic surds. When order of the surd is 2. This type of surd is called quadratic surd. Quadratic means what? 2. Okay, in this topic we are going to learn quadratic surds. Only the order is 2. Students, the given number is a surd or not? How to identify the given numbers are surds or not? See here I have written some questions. We will see. Cubed root of 27. First we need to simplify the 27. Is possible or not? 27 can be written 9 threes are and 9 can be written 3 threes are 9. So 3 into 3 into 3. 3 threes are 9. 9 threes are 27. So here cube and here short form what we can write? 3 power 3. 3 is repeating 3 times. So here cubed root of 27 equal to cubed root of 3 power 3. See here, order and power is same. They get cancelled. Here answer is what? 3. Cubed root of 27 equal to what? Value is what? 3. Sir, it is not a sir. Therefore, it is not a sir. Now coming to the second example. Square root of 81. What is the value of square root of 81? Square root of 81 equal to 9 square. 9 9s are 81. Under root 9 square. Square and square root get cancelled. Under root 81 equal to 9. So here this is also not a sir. Therefore it is not a sir. And next question, what? Cubed root of 125. 125 can be written what? 5 cube. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. Cubed root of 5 cube. Okay. This cube and cubed root get cancelled. What is remain? 5. Therefore, cubed root of 125 equal to 5. It is also not a sir. It is not a sir. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Fourth root of 8. 8 can be written what? 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2. So here, fourth root of 8. 8 can be written fourth root of 2 cube. This power and order of this one, they are different. So therefore, fourth root of 8 is a third. Okay? Now coming to the next question. Square root of 625. 625, how we can write? 25 square. 25 25 is 625. Square root of 625 equal to under root 25 square. Here, this order of the root what? 2. And this power what? 2. 2 get cancelled. Square root of 25 equal to 25. Sorry, square root of 625 is 25. Therefore, it is not a sir. Okay? Now, next question. Square root of 144. You know, square root of 144 what? 12 square. That means 12. I will write directly. Square root of 144 equal to 12. So, it is also a not a sir. Okay? Students, our next one. Simplest form of a sir. Simplest form of a sir. By seeing the examples, we can understand the simplest form of a sir. See here, just now what I said here in this topic, our order of the sir was 2. See here, 2 and 2. These are which type of sirs? Quadratic sirs. The simplest form of a sir what? We need to simplify the given rational number inside rational number. See here. Under root 48 can be written how? 16 3s are 48. Here one should be a perfect square root and other can be a prime number. What are you? 16 3s are 48. Now I will separate these two. Root 16 into root 3. Root 3 is an irrational number. We can't simplify that one. And root 16 we can simplify. So 16 can be written what? 4 square into root 3. Here this power and order of the sir they are same. 2 and root 2 get cancelled. 4 into root 3. Therefore root 48 equal to 4 into root 3. Otherwise 4 some gap you give. No need of giving multiplication. Same. This is the simplest form of the sir. Now coming to the second one, root 98. 98. One should be a perfect square root number and other can be a prime number. See, 98 can be written 49 2s are 98. 49 can be written 7 square. See, 98 under root 49 into 2. Now you separate these two. Under root 49 into under root 2. This 49 can be written what? 7 square into root 2. Square and square root get cancelled, equal to 7 into root 2. Otherwise 7 root 2. Students will write 7th root of 2. This one wrong. Your order will become 7. Root 2 coefficient is what? 7. So you need to give some gap. Okay? Now, therefore, root 98 can be simplified. 7 root 2. This is the simplest form of a surd. Now here, see, root 2 is a surd. In this one, root 3 is a surd. Okay? And their order of the surd is what? 2. They are which type of a surds? Quadratic surds. These are the two examples for the simplest form of a surd. Students, now one more example we will see. Square root of 125. 125 can be written how? 25 5s are 125 equal to 25 5s. See here, one number it is a perfect square root or not. So here under root 25 into 5. Okay. Now you separate these two. Square root of 25 into square root of 5. Square root of 25 how much? 5 into root 5. 5 root 5. Therefore, square root of 125 equal to 5 root 5. Here 5 is a what? Surd. It is an irrational root. Okay? Now root 5 coefficient what? 5. These are the three examples for the simplest form of a surd. And here these are which type of surds? Quadratic surds. Order of the quadratic surd is what? 2. Students, our next one is like surds or similar surds. Like surd. I mean, now in algebraic expressions, in equations what? Like terms, unlike terms. So in this topic also, like surds, unlike surds. See here, some examples I written. See here, first term is what? Root 2. And second term is what? Minus 3 upon 5 into root 2. So here, root 2, in third example also 5 root 2 and last example 7 upon 5 root 2. See, root 2 is same. So these all are like surds. Otherwise, you can call similar surds. See, example, we can write in the addition form also. 3 root 2 plus 5 root 2. Can I do addition? Yes. Why not? See here, root 2 is same. They are the like surds. Order of the surd is what? 2. Here also 2. Order also same. And inside the number 2. Root 2. Now here what are the coefficients? 3 and 5. And operation is what? Addition. You can take common. Root 2 outside. Open the bracket. 3 plus 5. Okay. Root 2. 3 plus 5 how much? Into 8. Therefore, 8 root 2 is the answer. One more example I will do. 3 root 5 plus 6 root 2. Is it possible to do addition? No. Why? Because these are unlike surds. Here root 5 is there. Here root 2 is there. It is not possible to do addition. You need to write as it is. Here, these two surds are different. Nothing but unlike surds. Okay? Unlike means what? Here our surd is different. Like means what? Compulsory should be same. Students, on the page number, if you see 26. On page number 26, surds topic started. On the page number 26, he given the definition of the surd. In third, if you want to tell the definition in one line, third is an irrational root. Example, root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6 and even root 8 also. If you simplify root 8 to root 2, therefore it is an irrational number. Like that. And after the third definition, in this topic we are learning the which type of surds, quadratic surds, where order is 2. When the order of the surd is 2, then the type of surds are called quadratic. And after that, what he explained, simplest form of a surd. Just now we solved 3 examples. And next one, similar or like surds. Like surds means, for example, you see root 2, root 2, root. In all the terms, whether it may be addition or subtraction, surd should be same. Then only you can do the addition or subtraction. Afterwards, on the page number 27. On page number 27, what? Comparison of surds. Comparison means what? There are 3 signs or 3 symbols. Greater than, smaller than or equal to. That we will see in the practice exercise. And operation. On page number 28, what? Operation of surds. There are 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Directly we will see in the practice set 2.3. And one more thing, he is explaining the rationalization of a surd. Rationalization of a surd means what? If the product of 2 surds is a rational number, each surd is called a rationalizing factor of the other surd. Product of the 2 surds is a rational number. What? Rationalize of a surd. What is given? If the product of 2 surds. See, product here, multiplication symbol. How many surds are there? 2. Product of 2 surds. When you multiply these 2 surds, what we will get? Rational number. Product of a 2 surds is a rational number. See, under root 2 into 8 equal to under root 16. 2 8 is 16. Square root of 16 what? 4. We got a rational number. Still, what he explained, each surd is called a rationalizing factor of the other surd. Here, root 2 is the rationalizing factor of the root 8 and root 8 is the rationalizing factor of the root 2. That is the rationalization of the surd. Students, one more example. Second example. If they give root 2, rationalize root, itself you have to multiply. Root 2 into root 2 equal to under root. See here, root 2, how many times repeating? 2 times. So, root 2 whole square. Square and root get cancelled. Answer is 2. So, here root 2 is the rationalizing factor of the itself. Students, find the rationalizing factor. Find the rationalizing factor. I am writing in short form. R dot F of root 27. See students, in before what I explained, simplest form, we need to simplify. Root 27 equal to 9 3s are 27. One should be a perfect square root number and other should be a other compulsory automatical prime number. Now you separate root 9 into root 3. So here square root of 9 what? 3. 3 into root 3. Here root 3 is the rationalizing factor. Okay? And what about this 3? It is a coefficient. Now to find rationalizing, multiply root 3. Root 3 into root 3 into root 3. 3 into how many root 3s are there? 2. Root 3 whole square. Square and square root. Get cancelled. 3 into 3 equal to how much? 9. So here root 3 is the rationalizing factor of root 27. Now one more example will tell. If they give in denominator. One more example. 1 upon 2 root 3. Here our surd is what? Root 3. So they will multiply numerator and denominator. Multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. Okay, 1 upon 2 root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. 1 into root 3 upon 2 into, here root 3 is how many times are repeating? 2. Root 3 whole square. Square root get cancelled. Root 3 upon 2 3s are 2 into 3 equal to root 3 upon 6. Okay, here the question will be rationalizing the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. Okay, rationalize the denominator. Here what? In numerator, if they give 81, square root of 81, okay, 9. Another number, square root of 98. 49 2s are. See here, square root of 98. Find the rationalizing factor of square root of 98. First step, simplest form. Simplest form was 49 2s are 98. Then separate root 49 into root 2. Square root of 49 was 7. 7 into root 2. Here root is what? Third. Then we will multiply one more root 2 for rationalizing the factor. 7 into root 2 into root 2. Here it is a numerator. 7 into root 2 how many times? 2 times. Root 2 whole square. Square root get cancelled. 7 into 2 equal to 14. So the value of the root 98 equal to 14. Students, here it is not a value of root 98. The rationalizing factor of the root 98 is root 2. After simplifying we got 14. Okay, clear?